4 horsemen have reappeared in Manhattan. The New York City premiere of Now You See Me, Now You Don't took over the Lighthouse at Chelsea Piers on November 10th. While the film is packed with visual trickery, the cast insists the magic on set was very real.
Hey, that whiskey's older than you.
Sorry, boss, so sorry. Look, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this has been really cool. Really, really cool.
Go show 'em.
But I think I just want to make it a little cooler.
Come on now, yeah!
There she goes.
No storm in China.
There we are, beautiful.
We built a magic castle with a room that spins and a mirrored room, and we have Houdini's straitjacket, and whether you're a fan of magic or not, you'll be a fan of the twists in the movie. It's really special.
It wasn't just visual effects. The cast had to learn the practical mechanics behind the illusions.
What we were trying to do in this movie is to try to do magic practically, meaning like all the actors had to like learn these complicated tricks to do it for real. This movie is a great movie, but it's also a magic trick.
That meant turning a simple party trick into a legitimate weapon.
I put in the work, I do my homework, and I become very good at throwing cards where I can cut a banana in half. I can like truly use a card as a weapon, which I do in these films.
Beyond the stunts, the story explores the deeper motivation for targeting the powerful.
They're motivated by this wonderful idea that through magic and illusion, you can bring down people in power.
It is a dynamic, balancing high-stakes theft with moral justice.
I think it's escapism and it's fun, but it's also like the horsemen steal from the corrupted and give it back to the people who deserve it and need it.
Considering the already established chemistry, Justice Smith was initially hesitant about joining the cast.
I was nervous going into it because anytime you have a big ensemble with the big personalities, you never know how it's going to go, but they were more than welcoming. They were like the best guys.
For the cast, the process was every bit as special as the result.
It was the most fun I ever had shooting a movie. We were in incredible locations and everybody was so kind and willing to be helpful towards me, and it was great.
Ultimately, a spectacle of this magnitude demands the big screen.
You could do it at home on your television, but it's nowhere near the same.
The tricks are set and the curtain is up. Now You See Me, Now You Don't is in theaters now.
You were probably right, Thaddeus, but not before they have one last shot at glory.